while that oil's draining is to drain the carburetor and the gas tank. So I'm just gonna start by just using the little drain plug that's on the bottom of the carb here, and use that to catch all the gas, and hopefully some of the, if there's any bad gas or whatever that's in the carb or stale or something, will just kind of flush it out. But the plan is to take the carb off and clean it, but I'll use this method for now. Just gonna make sure I don't lose the plug down into the gas can. Nope. Looks like the carb's empty, so let's pardon the arm, open up the gas. I wonder if that float's stuck. Huh, interesting. Oh, here it is. There it goes. I don't know if you can see it. So it's draining out now. Let me get this. Yeah, I just want to make sure since this, again, like I said, this is my workhorse of my tractors, the one I do most of my gardening with. This is the one I need to kind of take care of the most. So while gas and oil are draining, we'll take the oil filter off. If I can get this wrench in here. I think this is a Harbor Freight special. Could be wrong. Harbor Freight, Ocean State job lot, but works good. Doing a little maintenance on the 59 here, draining the oil, draining the gas. Able to sneak away from work and family for a little bit while it's raining. I actually just remembered I wanted to do for this tractor was actually put an electric start on it. So I have an electric start in that blue bin down there. So while I have it up on the lift here, I'm going to not necessarily today, but I'm going to pull the pulley, put the starter sprocket on, and put the starter on. This tractor had a weird, when I first bought it, I'll see if I can grab a picture of it. Had a weird pulley on it that I had never seen before, and somehow it had another starter system on it here, which I've never seen before. I don't know if it's homemade. It kind of looks like homemade because it's all L channel, but so I need to take that off and then put the standard Gravely starter on it. So I'll get to that at some point.